straightening up, is she? I don't know, but stay out of her way.
I am. I'm not going anywhere. Oh my god.
I think they've got wheelchairs and things out before, so is she going back or going back
Fuck
in?
if I know what she's doing.
Oh dear. Oh my god.
I don't know how to fucking drive for a start. This guy's coming around. This is the fucking littlest car in the fucking world. What are you doing, love?
Well, in a minute she'll
She's
put
got
her
a
foot,
mile.
she'll put
Keep
her
coming back.
It's okay. Oh, what is she doing?
Oh.
And this man's going to walk behind her and she'll go reverse over him.
Say, really?
Well, she's going to turn from there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, she needs reversing camera.
She has no idea how to fucking
I'll
drive.
look out for this one that's going to go.
Yeah, well, you can fucking wait. Turn your fucking wheel, you stupid woman.
Or go back a bit more.
Oh, come on, come back.
I don't think she's looking at you. Oh my god.
Oh, she's got no fucking idea. Yeah, but you need to go back, love. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Please let this
You
be on
are
camera.
kidding me.
This will be on camera.
Down, 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 down.
No, that's not the song.
You got a fucking mile there, love. Yeah, this car's wanting to come out.
Oh, well, that's stupid. He's naughty. Oh, please.
What the fuck is she doing, though?
She's trying to get around him. She
I
wants to
understand
go
that.
back, lady. How can she not know? How can she not know?
Oh, she's wanting them to move so she can drive out without having to. She cannot reverse. Where does she want to go?
Oh, just watch out for that one.
Yeah, no, there's another car trying to back out here as well.
Oh, I'm worried if we get
Back, back!
Yeah, but if she backs back, she'll fly into the back of us, in the front of us, because she'll put her foot down.
Oh my god.
She wants to go
She
around
wants
like
to go
that.
there.
What is she doing? Oh my god. She can't get past them.
Oh my fucking giddy aunt.
Oh, that's terrible. They need to move. They need to get right out of her way. Oh, but don't come in here. Don't come in here. God bless them for being so patient.
She coming in here?
I think they were, but... Oh, God. that was
Can you believe that? Oh my god.
crazy! You've got the patience of a saint,
Jesus,
honestly.
Oh, we've got it all on Dashcam, so we're going to make hysterical watching.
Oh.
Where's this guy going?
I think they're stopping in the park, but...